Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable touch tone for your earbuds SOUNDCORE R50i. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application. If you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it at the device list. Tap on it and then go to the settings at the right top. And right here in the fourth line we have touch tone, so if the slider near to it is empty, it means that it's disabled. And to enable it, just tap on it. So what does touch tone do? When you tap at the touch controls to use a gesture, you will hear a touch tone if you enable these features here. And if you don't need it, this slider have colorful background, and it means that it's enabled, and you just tap on it to disable it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!